Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to delete the AOL account permanently. If you want to delete the account, you can follow this step process and delete your account very easily. Now to begin with, first of all you need to open your account on web browser, as you cannot delete your account from the AOL mobile application. So let me show you how you can do it from the web browser. Now first of all, open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using. Click on the address bar and type in myaccount.aol.com. Once you've typed in, you press enter. Now first of all, you need to sign up to your AOL account. You need to sign up by providing your username. Type in your username of AOL. After that, you click on next. Provide your password for the account. Click on next. Once you have been logged in your account, you can see profile information. Now scroll down a little bit and on bottom you can see username or email, and below that you can see delete beside your username. You need to click on delete and a new page will appear asking you, are you sure of deleting your account? They're gonna show you a certain information before you delete your account. Here you are given information about deleting your accounts, which says that your username will be deactivated afterward and it will be deleted after 30 days and your account will no longer exist. Now here you need to click on continue delete my account if you really want to delete your AOL account. Click on delete account. Now then you will be directed to the next page. Here you need to provide your AOL email address. I'm gonna type in my AOL email address. And after that you need to click on yes, terminate this account, and your account will be deleted permanently exactly after 30 days. Click here. Your account has been deactivated and scheduled for deletion. You no longer have access to this account, which will be deleted from our user database. Here now you have very successfully deleted your AOL account permanently. You no longer have access to this username account. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned how easily you can delete your account in AOL. The only thing is you cannot delete your account from your mobile application. You have to do it in AOL official page. Thank you.